Hello guys, I'm Denis and I'm from far east of Russia, from Vladivostok, Primorsky region. In this issue, I want to tell you about such a topic as why do I make content for YouTube, why do I like this sphere, and what do I want from YouTube, what do I want from my subscribers. Only money or no? Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, I attach here a screenshot from my YouTube channel. This is one of trolls. This is also why I decided to make this video with this topic about money. You can write that this person, girl, boy, I don't know, told me that I make content, make video, YouTube only because of money that I paid for advertising for my channel, because I want to engage more and more subscribers, then make more and more money on my subscribers, on my audience. And guys, I know that my audience told me that I mustn't prove anything, anybody, but I don't want to prove something. I only want to introduce you with me more detail. Okay guys, and now that you can get this theme, I want to introduce myself more details. Guys, you know that I'm cadet of Maritime State University, and my future profession will be officer of the watch. This is navigator. Okay, and now I want that you see how much can earn officer of the watch. I found this information on the special website. Now you can see this website. Okay guys, how much does a watch officer make? The average watch officer salary is $81,000 as of September 26, 2022. But the salary range typically falls between $75,000 and $94,000. Salary range can vary widely depending on many important factors, including education, certifications, additional skills, and blah 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 blah. Guys, why did I show you this information, this website? Because I want that you understand that if I will work in fleet, in merchant fleet, I can earn loads and loads money, but I don't want to make it. I came to the YouTube platform, I create video, I create content, I collect my subscribers, my audience, and guys, I don't know what will be in future, because if for example we will tell about merchant fleet, I know that if I'll go to the ship, I can earn, for example, even $70,000 or $60,000 per 1 year. But what about YouTube? Guys, I don't know how much can I get from my channel, how much can I get from my, for example, new video. Each video will get 100,000 views, or maybe only 1,000 views, because of this depend money from YouTube. You know, also I can't know how much donations I get in this month, how much donations I get in this week, maybe also in day. I don't know it. And so guys, you can see that create content on the platform YouTube, it's always uncertainty. You can't know accurate. what it will be in future. And so guys, I think that you get it, that I really like and also love YouTube, love content, my audience, subscribers, and this business. It's very interesting for me. It's yeah, it isn't my hobby now. It's more now for me. It's part of my life. If we tell about money, of course, guys, in our modern world, each people, each human need money. That life, you know it, because if you will not have money, you die, because you even can't buy eat, drink water, pay for rent of your house. You can't pay for cars, bus, subway, and etc. Other things which need us. Okay, guys, so it was a short video about my relationship with YouTube platform, with my audience, money, and subscribers. Please write below in section with comments your opinion about this topic. What do you think about money in modern world? Also, like this video, subscribe on my channel, that don't skip next interesting and maybe also useful videos about travel, politics, and etc. So, bye for now, see you next time. Пока-пока, guys!